For the folks that are just joining us that aren't members of Yummy Arts, we have a different class every single month. Live class. Just
Different
like
live
this.
class, right?
Yep, where you can join in the chat and ask questions and watch one of our professionals have fun with cake decorating and candy clay and all kinds of great stuff. So
That's different every month.
it is different every month. We've done everything from what did we just do?
You did a minion.
We did a minion cake. Yeah, we just did minion with Monica Stout,
That
and
was
before
fun.
that, I think it was Shelley and on how to use
The
a
cricket.
cake cricket. So there's all kinds of great techniques to learn and all kinds of great stuff. So and you really got to check us out because we've got what I consider the greatest people around. I mean, it's the members are just so helpful and friendly, and it's a great place to, especially if you're a beginner and you've never put up you've never done many projects and you don't want to put your photo up, and we're really nice.
We're really nice.
That's what it comes down to. Very encouraging, very helpful. So come and play in our playground. Go check out the library. There's over 200, and I think we're even past 275 different projects.
Yeah, it wouldn't surprise
just like
me.
this. And it's all free to members. So come and check that out. Go on the forum, play around the forum, and ask questions. We've got a ton of great people that would love to answer any questions you might have. So come and check us out at yummyarts.com.
Okay, before I put these bottom ones on, I'm actually going to put my, I do want to put my bottom, you want to cover up these nasty pieces here. And it was one thing I had forgotten to do, but all you're going to do is you're going to take this clay gun and you're going to make 2 ropes and you're going to twirl those ropes together. So let me move this out of the way so you can see it.
Quick question. What about royal icing for sticking?
Royal icing, yeah, it works pretty well. So this is a little oily, so sometimes it works well, sometimes it doesn't. You just gotta make sure it's not too dry. So if you make dry royal icing, make sure it's moist enough to stick. But yeah, it'll stick. Royal icing works. Buttercream works really well.
There you go.
Buttercream works.
I've heard of that.
Yeah, so you could actually. Okay, so if you pretend I have 2 really long ropes here. Hello, okay. And then you just twist them together. Okay. And then what you're going to do is place it on here like this to make the edge of the basket, and then continue with your leaves. That's when you can add those last leaves. And I have a piece already done up. And as you can see, it's firm because I did it a couple weeks ago. So I actually can just stick it on here.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And if it's not the perfect size,
I added a piece to it.
You add a piece
Because
to
it wasn't the perfect size.
Or you can use it as a crown, a little tiara.
Oh, there you go. Okay,
Look at that.
so at this point, now you can just start adding your leaves.
Very cool.
Yep.
Looking good. Now the end pieces that have the little red at the end of the Twizzler kind of thing.
Yeah, you want to, this part should cover, this twirly piece I did, you
Right.
want to cover it right on top of the end red pieces.
Or cover it with a leaf or
Or cover it with a leaf. You
Or
can
white
even take
buttercream.
just a little piece of candy clay and plop it on the top if
There
it's
you go.
stubborn.
yeah,
Whatever it takes. I use a leaf.
a little white buttercream or the white candy clay itself.
Whatever.
I mean,
yeah.
if the red is bothering you, or if it's
Yeah,
it's
if it's
too-
really annoying you, by all means.
yeah. But now so what you've got is a whole lot of chocolate, a little bit of cake,
Because Cindy made me.
more chocolate. But you could just pull the thing apart and start eating it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And I'm just going to use some candy clay to help stick some of these leaves in.
Very cool.
All I'm doing is just pressing them in.
Yeah.
It's not too tough. I think I want a smaller leaf
No,
here.
it seems pretty straightforward.
It is very straightforward. Once you make the flowers, it's pretty easy.
And you said make them a day ahead of time, or
Yeah, I made
morning or
made
something.
these leaves like 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
So as you can see,
Yeah.
You want this base to be fresh though, because otherwise the leaves won't stick in it.